Okay, line 8 that says, Nay, nature is harmony. And line 12, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. To her simplicity. All end with the long E sound, creating full rhymes. C, V, C. Harmony, simplicity. Line 10 ends with say, forming a slant rhyme. With all those rhymes, readers must hear slant rhyme between lines 2 and 4 as well. 2, the hill, the afternoon, and 4, nay, nature is heaven. As well, albeit a very subtle one, afternoon and heaven. Map it out and including slant rhymes. The poems overall. Rhyme scheme looks like this. We have 4 groups: A, B, C, D, F, H. Sorry, 6 groups, not 4. So they are divided in different lines. So we can see first group A with nature is what we see. A squirrel eclipsed the bumblebee. The bubbling, the sea. Nature is harmony. And the last line to her simplicity. Group B. Group B is made of 2 lines. V, and the second one that is the hill, the afternoon, and the fourth one that is nature is heaven. And C, we have 5 lines. That is, nature is what we heard. It's only a group. And D is only a line. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 line. Thundered the cricket. Group F is nature is what we know. And finally, group H is only too impotent or wisdom is. Okay, we can see here what is the slant rhyme. So the poem hits at a pattern but repeatedly breaks it. And in this way, the rhyme scheme mirrors the speaker's attempts to define nature. The poem sounds don't quite line up, which reflects the limits of art to capture the pure simplicity of the natural world. Well, in terms of literary figures, nature is what we see, has a lot of alliterations, makes the poem more musical and memorable. So note, for example, the alliteration of bumblebee. There is also consonance here, bumblebee. Dickinson could have picked from any numbers of other insects whose names don't alliterate. Picking this one adds artistic flourish to the poem, softly calling the readers. Attention to the use of language as a part of the human effort to categorize the understand the natural world. The alliteration here reminds the reader that language is a human creation, on one that ultimately provides inadequate when it comes to define nature. Later, the alliteration and assonance of nature add forcefulness to the speaker's sudden shift in thought. There is clear linguistic drama here, as though the speaker suddenly sense the limitation of their own definition of nature. Finally, listen to the mixture of sibilance and assonance in the poem last two lines. So imponent our wisdom is, and to her simplicity. These lines are brimming with S and Z and short IH sounds. All this sonic place makes the poem's final lines stand out, literally in the reader's ear. The smoothness and musicality of these lines also evokes the harmonious simplicity of the natural word. Okay, finally, I recommend people read Dickinson because it makes us think about other way to perceive the life, the death, love, beauty, and obviously nature. I also think that the type of reader who likes poetry mm, will fall in love with Emily Dickinson since her poetry is a beautiful and sublime, because you can see images, sounds, smells, textures, what you read it. So I recommend all of the poems just because you can feel other perspectives, as I mentioned before. And for example, in this poem, nature is what we see. We try to define nature, but it is almost impossible. But now we can feel that the nature is harmony. The nature is what we know because we are nature, so we know what is nature because this is what we are. Well, it's not something simple. So I think that Emily achieved this goal because she tried to define nature with words that we can feel. So thank you for listening that booktuber. Thank you for watching that video. I hope that you like it. Have a great day. Bye bye.